Poppin' everybody, it's your boy Wavy. Welcome to Stay Wavy TV. Click that subscribe button, thumbs up that video, make sure y'all leave a comment. The title of this video is How to Attract Women Easily. Now, this video is strictly for all my single niggas out there that's going through a drought, you feel me? Most likely you got all your homeboys got girlfriends and shit like that, and you just thinking like, damn, like, where my bae at? Where my wifey at? You feel me? This video is specifically for y'all niggas. If you clicked on this video, you clicked on the right motherfucking video if you single right now, cause it's fucking summertime. You know, the beach is full of baddies right now, you know what I'm saying? And I know y'all niggas wishing that one of them is yours. So listen clearly, bruh. I'ma give you niggas step to step how to attract women easily. Not girls, not hoes, not bitches, not thoughts, not thotties, women. I'm talking about women, bruh, queens, you feel me? You don't want you one of these Instagram hoes. I'm talking about a queen, you feel me? But for y'all niggas out there that want to attract hoes and thoughts, this video is for y'all too, because unfortunately, you gonna attract them too as soon as you get you a girlfriend. All of the Instagram models and the thoughts and the hoes, as soon as you get you a girlfriend, they're gonna start chasing you too. So you click on the right video too. So listen up, man. All right, here we go. Number one, the first thing you gotta do to attract women easily, focus on yourself, my nigga. Stop going out your way to try to snatch girls. Stop going to the club. Stop going to Walmart, because you know Walmart be having all the hoes for some reason. Walmart is like the motherfucking, it's like the car dealership for bitches. For some reason, like, Walmart has all of the baddies for some reason, especially after about 6 o'clock p.m. So number one, stop chasing women. Focus on yourself. Prioritize yourself, okay? Focus on you. Focus on getting money. Focus on stacking up. Focus on, moving out your mama's crib. Focus on all the important things that you already know that you need to focus on. If you in school, focus on school, my nigga. If you a rapper, focus on rapping, my nigga. Take your ass to the studio. Stop being a SoundCloud rapper and become a real rapper, you feel me? If you just a regular nigga working a 9 to 5, that's cool. You still earning income, bro. Just stack up. You know, to all my niggas out there working at fast food, work your way up to become a manager, my nigga. Get your money up. You feel me? I respect everybody hustle, bro. I'm not no hater. I ain't hating on nobody hustle. Anybody watching this video that's getting money, whether you an Amazon Prime driver, whether you an Uber driver, all of the niggas getting money, salute, bro. Focus on your craft and focus on what you're doing to make money. Okay, that's number one. Prioritize yourself. Number two, and this is very important. Very important. Number two, you gotta work on your appearance, bro. You feel me? Because what happens is, when you don't have a girlfriend for an extended period of time, what happens is you stop giving a fuck about everything. You know what I'm saying? What happens is you end up gaining weight. A lot of you niggas right now watching this video, you fat now. You done gained about 30, 40. Some of y'all niggas done gained 50 pounds. And don't lie, you hear me, you know I'm talking about your goofy ass. Y'all niggas been eating McDonald's, Wingstop, y'all been ordering Uber Eats every fucking day because you depressed that you don't got no girlfriend and you ain't getting no pussy like you feel like you should be getting. So you taking your pain out on your body. And unfortunately, that's a very important thing, is your appearance. Focus on your appearance, my nigga. Get you a haircut every week. Not every 2 weeks, not even 3 weeks, because y'all niggas is walking around here looking like Michael Blackson. Focus on your appearance, my nigga. Get you a haircut. If you got a beard, keep your motherfucking beard lined up. Stop walking around looking like goddamn Tyson Chandler. Line that shit up, bruh. Because if you don't, you walking around looking rough. You feel me? And bitches gonna think you dirty. Like, ew, he has a beard. He don't line his beard up. His house probably smell like feet. Real talk, bruh. Your appearance means everything, bro. The first thing that people look at when they see you is your appearance. Okay? Start going to the barbershop every week. Start investing your money in clothes. Stop spending all your money on marijuana and weed and take your ass to the mall, take your ass to Kohl's or Marshalls, because they be having them deals. For all my niggas out there that's cheap like myself, I'm gonna give you a cheat code right now to be fresh. Take your ass to Marshalls, Kohl's, and TJ Maxx and stack up on some fresh clothes, bro. They got polo shirts, button-up shirts, they got Adidas, they got Nike slippers and all type of shit for the low. Marshalls and TJ Maxx is selling polos for about $35.99, bro. You take your ass to the real polo store, you're gonna have to pay about $60, $70. Stack up, get you some nice clothes, and put effort into what you wearing, bro. Get you some new shoes. Stop wearing them beat up ass Nike slippers every day. Get you some new shoes, bro. Focus on your appearance, my nigga. Get fresh. You remember in high school how we used to come home from school and the first thing you thought of was, damn, what am I gonna wear tomorrow? I gotta be fresh. You guys remember the first week of school when that new school year came around? You guys remember how you used to stay up all night thinking about, damn, what am I gonna wear the first day of school? You gotta be like that every day. If you want to get bitches on your dick, you gotta be like that every day, bro. Focus on your appearance. Keep a fresh cut. Buy a bunch of clothes. Buy you some shoes. And be clean, bro. Be clean. Number 3, you're gonna have to get back in shape, bro. For all you lazy ass niggas that like to stay home and watch Blacked on Pornhub, you gotta stop doing that, bro. For all you niggas that like to smoke weed all day and every time at 2 or 3 in the morning your ass is at McDonald's, Taco Bell, and Wingstop, you gotta stop doing that, bro. You gotta lose weight. You gotta lose weight, bro. You got to, bro. Get back in shape, bro. Go to the gym, bro. Force yourself to go to the gym. If you don't want to go to the gym like me, then just drink a shit ton of water. Stop drinking soda. Make sure you go for a walk for at least 30 minutes every day, because you got to get your cardio, you got to get your heart rate up, and do what you got to do to lose weight. Because like I said, bro, your appearance plays a huge role in how women look at you, bro. If a woman got a fat ass, a slim waist like a Coke bottle, and she got a nice pair of bazookas, and she see you got man boobs, your stomach is hanging over your motherfucking belt like Peter Griffin, and she see that your face look like DJ Academics, she gonna walk away from your goofy ass, bruh. You gotta get in shape, my nigga. You gotta get in shape. You have to, bruh. Big part of attracting women. Okay? Number 3, and this is the most important part of attracting women. To all of the niggas watching this video, listen up clear, bro. Listen, this is the most important part of the video. This is why most men don't attract women, bro. Okay? Stop being a simp. Stop it. Stop being a simp. Stop giving women compliments on their Instagram pages. Stop telling women you beautiful. Stop telling women that you want to eat their booty and suck their toes and all type of goofy shit. Stop doing that, bruh. Stop holding the door open for these bitches. They don't want you to do that. They want you to slam the door in their face. You have to stop being friendly to women, because women like guys that treat them like shit. Every man to tell you this. You don't believe me? Ask your dad, ask your uncle, ask anybody that's over 30. Women don't like nice guys, bruh. And unfortunately in 2019, a majority of niggas is simps, bruh. You niggas love leaving comments on these bitches' pages on Instagram. They won't even like your comment. You niggas love telling a bitch that you wanna suck their booty hole with a straw. They looking at you like you're a goofy, bro. They are screenshotting that comment and showing it to their homegirls, laughing at your stupid ass, bruh. Stop being a simp. Stop holding the door open for these women. Stop telling women that you beautiful. Stop that shit, bruh. When you see a beautiful bitch out in public, don't even make eye contact with the bitch. Act like she ain't shit. Cause I'm gonna tell you a secret, bruh. Women usually want things that they can't have, bruh. But unfortunately with Instagram and shit like that, they getting it easily, bruh. We living in a time right now where if you're not a rapper, a basketball player, or an actor, if you're not doing something that's making you a lot of money and you flexing on the gram, bruh, It's hard for you to get pussy nowadays, bro, unless you take your ass to the strip club. So you know what you gotta do? You gotta be the biggest asshole you could be to these women, cause they love that shit. They love that shit, bro. I'm gonna give y'all an example. Look at a goofy ass nigga like Rob Kardashian. Look how nice he was to Blac Chyna. Look how nice he was, bro. Look how sweet and mannerable he was to Blac Chyna, who's a fucking whore. Look how he ended up. He ended up looking like a goofy, bro. Stop being so nice to these women, bro. Stop it. That's not gonna get you the panties, my nigga. Women like assholes. Women like men that don't give a fuck about nothing. You gotta be an alpha, bro. You gotta be on your DMX belly shit, bro. Instead of holding the door for a woman, say, bitch, hold the door for me. I'm a king. Stop being so friendly, bro. Stop being so nice. Just be you, bro. That's all you gotta do. You look at all of these rappers, bro. Look at Future, Drake, Chris Brown. Y'all see how many women these niggas get? And look how these niggas dog these bitches. This nigga Chris Brown was dating Rihanna and Karrueche at the same time, bro. At the same time, bro. That's legendary. Shout out to Chris Breezy. I wanna say oh. My bad, y'all. But shout out to Chris Brown. He's a legend in the light-skinned community. You feel me? Look at Drake, bro. Look at Drake. Drake out here fucking niggas bitches like it's nothing, bro. You feel me? You gotta be an asshole to these women, man. So with that being said, you know, focus on yourself. Focus on your appearance. Stop being a simp. And focus on you, bro. The minute that you start focusing on you and you apply these 3 things that I just told y'all, once you apply those things, you start making sure you get a fresh cut. You start making sure you got a fresh outfit on every day. Pretty soon when you apply those things are gonna become regular. You get in shape, you lose weight, your face gets slimmed down, your cheekbones start showing again. Just start taking care of yourself, bro. Just start loving yourself, you know what I'm saying? Because most niggas that don't got no girlfriend or ain't getting no pussy, it's because something going on with you, bro. You feel me? You got some shit going on. You gotta get back to who you are, you feel me? Get back into being that nigga, bro. You gotta get the juice. To you niggas watching this video, the reason why you don't got no girlfriend is because you don't got the juice, bro. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get the juice. Some of you niggas watching this video, you had the juice back in middle school and high school, but since your ass graduated and you dropped out of school, you don't got the juice no more. You could get the juice back, bruh. You just gotta focus on filling your glass up, my nigga. You niggas is too worried about, you niggas is too focused on other people's glass. You ain't filling your glass up with the goddamn grape juice, bruh. You gotta fill the juice back up in the cup, and you gotta get the juice back. Real niggas know what I'm talking about, bruh. Everybody know what it feel like to get the juice. Everybody get the juice at one point in their life. Some people just get it later than others. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta get back to getting the juice, bruh. You gotta get your juice back. You spilled that bit. You gotta refill the glass. You feel me? That's all, bruh. It's that simple. Stop being thirsty. Stop being over complimentive and focus on yourself. Get you some money. You know what I'm saying? Take care of yourself, and before you know it, women gonna be sliding in your DMs, bruh. Focus. I'm gonna be honest, bruh. The biggest part with niggas like us, bro, like we be so focused on where the hoes at and going to the club, and we be too focused on, chasing pussy, bro. You gotta stop doing that, bro. Just focus on you, get you some money, focus on your appearance, get fresh, and you gonna get women easily, bro. It's gonna be to the point where you got too much pussy to handle. But before I end this video, listen up. Before I end this video, I'm gonna leave the video off like this, bro. Okay? Once you get the juice, once you do everything I just told you to do, I gotta tell you something, bro. Like that nigga Spider-Man said. Shout out to Peter Parker's grandpa. With great power comes great responsibility. You guys gotta understand something. Once you get the juice and once you start attracting women again, you're gonna end up getting a girlfriend. Guess what's gonna happen? Women are gonna come out of nowhere, bro. For some reason, whenever a man gets a girlfriend, that's when, you know, women start coming out the woodworks. To all of a sudden, women are checking for you. Like, once you start taking pictures with your girl on Snapchat and Instagram, and everybody know you got a girl, that's when temptation comes. Like, you're gonna see women that you haven't talked to in years, bro. They're gonna come back out of nowhere and they're gonna be checking for you because you got the juice. But when you get the juice, bro, don't let nobody take it from you, my nigga. Don't fumble the football, my nigga. Focus on getting to the touchdown, bro. Because I'm gonna tell you something, bro. It takes a long, like, it's gonna feel like it's gonna take forever to get the juice back. But even though it takes a long time to get it back, it's so quick to lose it. So once you get the juice, don't let nobody trick you out your position, dog. Don't let none of these hoes make you cheat on your girlfriend for like, when you get you a girl that you know is like loyal and shit like that, bro, you gotta keep that, bro. Because you gonna see women, they just want you to cheat on the bitch because they not happy, bro. You feel me? Like, they hoes. So just make sure that y'all niggas don't spill the juice when you get it back. With that being said, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment. I'm out.